Hi everybody from a cruddy, rainy, horrible day in England. So today we decided to go and do a bit of a shop, and we went into Bury, which is the nearest big town to us, and we don't go there very often, but it's been a while. They have a great market there, 3 days a week. So we thought we'd go down and check it out, see what's going on. We also went into TK Maxx to see what they had. I love to go there at this time of year. If you can hear scrabbling in the background, Inigo is currently in one of the bags of shopping. Thanks, dude. And we also went to a thrift store on the way home because I needed some more frames, and where better to get them than at a ridiculously low price for future projects. So let's deal with the unique items first. They're quite magical and fabulous. All right, so it's only 3 items in this bag. They're all extremely well wrapped, so I'll just get all the bubble wrap off of them. Okay, so the first things that I purchased were from a shop called Unique Antique. They're now in Bury Precinct. They used to be in the indoor marketplace. And what should I start with? Okay, let's start with the owl. That's quite seasonal. Look at him, and very magical. Super beautiful item. He's massive though. His wingspan is pretty huge, as you can see. So he's going to go up top on the shelves behind me and make his home there. And then, don't come for me, this is a Fallout 4 piece. In my head, it's a Fallout 4 piece. It's a cat, an astronaut cat. It reminds me of Mr. Pebbles from Fallout 4, and I just loved him. The first moment I laid eyes on him, I just thought, yeah, you've got to come home with me. Oh, isn't he just adorable? They had little dogs as well, but obviously mainly a cat. I mean, I do love dogs, don't get me wrong, but I am a cat person. So yeah, look at his little face. So cute. Okay. And then finally, I purchased this thing. It's massive, actually. Okay, so it's a spiral staircase. I've always wanted one in my house in real life, on the basis that I'm never going to get one. This is the next best thing, right? Each step, it's filthy, it needs cleaning. And the paintwork needs sorting out as well because it's a bit dinged up in various spots. Although actually that might just be, no, it is dinged up. Okay, well, I'm not sure if I don't want to paint some of the stair rods anyway. I'm not stair rods, what do you call them? Steps. In fact, I might even decoupage them in a future project. I intend to use this for crystals and small potions. I just think it's gorgeous. So this was 19 British pounds. The owl was 27, and Amazing Space Cat was 12, I think. I mean, very good value for money, I think. All right, then, let me just quickly show you what I got from the thrift store, because no doubt they'll be coming up in future videos. Okay, so I can't turn up strange and unusual picture frames at all, and this lovely thing just really got me. It's kind of Art Nouveau and medieval, and so nice. I really like the figure. I love the roses, and the framing of this I just think is lovely. I will find something to go in this at some point. It's what was it? £1.50. Can you believe it? What a bargain. This little thing, the frame's boring as, but the glass has these glass leaves on them, and I just thought that was lovely. So again, this, I'll get rid of what's behind it. I'll do something with this frame. It won't stay like this. So I'll get it to match everything else. I'll probably use some rub and buff or paint, chalk paint, whatever. But yeah, those little clovers on it, I just thought were charming. And then I just got this big frame, which is huge and was £3. I mean, why do people ever buy frames from anywhere when you can just go to a charity shop and pick up such nice ones and interesting? Also, whilst I was in there, I am a sucker for old books. I love books. I particularly love old books that look pretty, so I picked up a couple of navy blue ones with this gorgeous foiling on. They are so nice. £2 each. I mean, you know. Also, some of these people, the authors, I've never even heard of. So for me, this is going to be an interesting voyage of discovery. I love old literature. Right now I'm reading believe it or not, a children's story that belonged to my mum, and it obviously belonged to her mum. God knows who before that. It's got 1915 written on the inside. So, and I'm really enjoying it, even though the English is somewhat um, antwacky and a little bit, unusual for today, certainly. But nevertheless, it's a great tale. And so, who cares? And so I got two navies and two dark greens, and these are just perfect, not only for colour scheme, but also for new reading matter for me. All right, then, let's move on to TK Maxx. So I understand in America you've got TK Maxx, but you call it TJ Maxx, I think. I don't know why that is, but if you go there around about this time of year, as I do every year, you'll find all the autumn stuff, the Halloween stuff coming in. I already have a ton of those things, and I really don't need any more, but I always love to go and have a look and see what they've got. So first of all, I picked up these pumpkin napkins because why wouldn't I? Look at them, they're so cute. And gold foiled, super posh serviettes, £2.79, bargain. Also, on the subject of books, I picked up Mary Shelley's Frankenstein while I was in there. Not only is it a beautiful thing, I mean, it's foiled and it's gorgeous and it will look wonderful on the shelves, but I've never read this book before, and I'm actually quite excited to be able to do so. It was £6.99. So I am well set for reading matter for a while at least. I also picked up some notelets, and these are super pretty. They were £3.99, and they are just like this, 4 different designs. You can see them along the bottom here. And yeah, I really like them. Not only will I use them as note cards for friends, but I'll also use them as backgrounds in some of these frames perhaps, or other projects, They're super pretty. And then, can you believe it? Magical item wise, I couldn't believe my eyes. Ravenclaw tea bags. To me, this is absolutely nuts. Ravenclaw Afternoon Blend, the intelligent choice. Too funny. Look at that. You may have seen this already. This is just me that's surprised. But yeah, £5. Beautiful tin. All in my colours. So yeah, I will be reusing this for sure once I've drunk the tea. A couple more items left. I picked up this really pretty reed diffuser. I just think it's lovely. I love the decoration on it, and it's got a nice scent, this one. Crisp autumn day. There's a little doodad on the back that if you pluck it open, thusly, you can find out what it smells like before you buy it. Obviously, all the candles in there and the reed diffusers, the majority of them are all like pumpkin spice, pumpkin latte, apples and pumpkins, and I don't actually like the smell of pumpkin. I'm sorry, don't come for me. I know it's like the most popular smell in America, but for me it's like, I don't know, I don't care for it, but that is really lovely. And what a nice box too. Then I picked up a candle because how could I not? And look at this one. Look at the detail on that. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's got a little wreath on it, little front door with a cat at the bottom of it. So nice. This was £12.99, and yeah, I love it. And it's massive. It's a big chunky candle that'll last for a long time. And I've forgotten what the scent was. Oh, smoked charcoal and myrrh. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Actually, really nice. And then possibly my favourite item, certainly from TK Maxx anyway, is this last one, which is a snow globe with a castle in it. Can you see the detail in that? It's amazing. The actual snow is black. It's got bats around the bottom of it. It's made of resin, and I hoped it would light up. It doesn't, but it is a music box, so it plays the Addams Family, which is so cool. Bit fast at the moment. Okay, so maybe I won't wind it up very often, but I will certainly have this on display in this room because I think it's gorgeous. I love snow globes anyway. I'm a big fan of them. Okay, perhaps I shouldn't have wound it so much. But yeah, I love that thing. So that is my haul. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Do let me know what you think about them. What was your favorite item? For me, it might be the It's Just Astronaut cat. I just can't get over it. It's going on my fallout shelf. Anyway, that's it. Take care and stay safe, everybody. I'll see you soon for the next one.